Alright, this is step 6 on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And in this step, we're going to finish at least one side. Probably finish one side. So, to do this step, you have to follow a certain algorithm. One algorithm, and you'll finish step 6. This algorithm is right, counterclockwise, front, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, back 180 degrees, right, clockwise, front counterclockwise, right, counterclockwise, back 180 degrees, and right 180 degrees. So you should write that down and memorize it. Alright. Now you wanna do this algorithm, but before you do it, you have to position your cube in the right direction. So to know how to position your cube, you want to look in the top layer for any two corner pieces that are the same color. This is green, this is blue, so they're not the same. Okay. Here they're not the same, no. Here we have the pink with the pink. As you can see, two pink corner pieces that are the same. So we want to position these two same color corner pieces in the back of the cube. So here they are in the back. And then you want to do the algorithm. Oh, and if you don't have any corner pieces that are the same, no corner pieces, you just position the cube in any direction you want, yellow facing up, white down, and you do the algorithm. And then, after you do the algorithm, you should get two corner pieces that are the same, place them in the back, and do the algorithm as I'm going to do it right now. So this algorithm is right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise, back 180 degrees, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, back 180 degrees, and right 180 degrees. And that's it. That finishes step 6. It's just simple as that. And now, as you can see, we have two same corner pieces, two green, two pink, and two blue, all the same. And that finishes step 6. And step 7, we're going to complete the whole cube. Oh, and if you did this algorithm, you'll usually have a finished face. So I didn't have a finished face. That's alright. That's normal. But you'll usually have a finished face, one finished face. And that finishes step 6.